Hello traders and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do technical analysis for USD, Swiss franc, EURCAD and New Zealand CAD. So we're gonna start off with USD Swiss franc on the daily time frame. So as you can see here on the USD Swiss franc, we had this downtrend here that got breached with the price breaking this trend line here. So this is a good sign that short term or medium term we're gonna have a possibility that the price will continue the uptrend and develop into a deeper consolidation. So as we speak here, you can see that we had this impulse towards the upside that broke this area here, and then the price started to pull back, creating a consolidation here, or at least this is the way that this thing is looking. And we have this trend line here that we have to pay close attention to it if we want to engage in any buy setups. But for now, in my opinion, considering the fact that we don't have any divergence on the daily on the MACD, I'm expecting the price here to make a consolidation towards the trend line and then drop one more time and reach this level. When we'll reach this level here, we have to be very cautious because it will be very important to watch the price action. And that means if we get here a bullish reaction that will break the trend line, followed by a pullback or a flag, then most likely the price will continue to go back up and create a new higher high here and develop into a complex consolidation. But for now, if, like I was saying, if the price will reach this area, then we have the possibility that I just explained to you guys. And another one is that if we get here and then the momentum is low and we see the price action giving us a consolidation, then we'll go down and break this low. This is for the daily. Now let's move down to the 4-hour time frame, and as I was saying, we don't have any divergence on the MACD, neither on the 4-hour time frame. So similar scenario as on the daily time frame, we have to wait here for a consolidation, maybe reach this trend line or at least this liquidity level here that I highlighted above. I think this is a bit too far off, but you never know. I'm expecting a consolidation similar to this one here, so maybe the price will engage into a sideways move and then drop again towards this level. And like I was saying, here is a good area to watch for a reaction because it will tell us the story on what will happen next. If we'll continue to go down here, if the price consolidates, then most likely we'll go and make a new lower low and take out this liquidity from these levels. Or if the price will give us a bullish candle, a strong bullish candle followed by a consolidation, then this will be our buy setup. But until then, we have to pay close attention to these things because in the meantime, the price could develop along the way and we can have another trend line here sitting. So we need to see how it will develop. But for now, like I was saying, focus on this price movement, consolidation, or maybe a deeper one to reach this level. You have to wait and see and then wait for a reaction towards the downside. Now let's move on to EURCAD. For EURCAD on the daily, as you can see, the bullish trend is pretty strong here. We exited the downtrend area in October last year. We broke this trend line here and then the price started to move up, then made a correction, then another move up, and this is the top right now as we speak. And from this level here, the price started to engage into a complex consolidation. As you can see, this area here is a bit bigger than what we had previously. So these were the two corrections that we had previously. And this one, as you can see, is a bit deeper because it's a daily consolidation. Those ones were 4-hour consolidations. And the way things are moving right now, you can see that this looks like it is over and the price is heading back up to take out these tops here. So I'm expecting for EURCAD on the daily a pullback and then one more move towards the upside. This pullback could become a bit complex because, as you can see here, this impulse is pretty strong. So the price might drop a bit more than I show you guys. But regardless, we have to pay attention to the buy setups. No sell setup for us. We'll only get into the buy setups when we have a proper correction and the proper reaction towards the upside. Other than that, let's see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we will analyze the last wave from the daily. And as you can see, this move up is pretty sharp. We only had a few corrections around the way, only 2. So right now I'm expecting here a deeper consolidation, maybe pullback, reach this trend line. But also I won't be surprised if the price will drop down a bit to collect some more liquidity, maybe hit this level here because we have an important zone located around this level, pretty big liquidity sitting around there. So the price might develop into a complex structure before going back up and take out this top. So wait for your first reaction around the trend line. And if this doesn't give you a bullish reaction, then wait for a breakout, consolidation, wait for it to finish, wait for this down wave to complete, and then wait for your buy setups, okay? For New Zealand CAD, let's move on to the daily time frame. This one is the best one from all of them. As you can see, this is a textbook setup. You have an impulse, a bullish wave. Then you can see the difference between this impulse and this correction here. This impulse is pretty strong, and the consolidation here is moving messy and is taking a longer time to develop compared to the impulse. So this is a good note for you guys to have in your trading book. So like I was saying, this one is the best by far, because we broke also this important level here sharply, and now the price action is consolidating here. And the good news here is that the price broke this trend line, and I'm expecting a pullback and then a move towards the upside to take out this top in the medium term. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. And like I was saying, we are expecting a consolidation on the daily, and that means that on the 4 hours the price will be a bit more aggressive towards the downside, which means that I'm expecting here a correction, one more drop at least towards the confluence between the trend line and this liquidity level here. But if the price decides to make a deeper pullback like it did here, you can see this was a deeper pullback after this sharp impulse towards the upside after it broke this trend line. We had this wave down that maybe panicked a lot of people. So like I was saying, this could develop into something similar here, but we have to pay close attention to the price action. As I was saying, let's take it step by step, and the first step here is to see if we get this pullback, reach this level here. Then when we reach this level, we have to see if we get a bullish reaction, and if not, then let the price drop, consolidate, drop one more time, and then look for your buy setups. I'm looking at another zone here if the price decides to pull back a bit deeper, so this will be another area to watch. So like I was saying, wait for the price to reach the trend line and this liquidity level, see if you get a reaction towards the upside. If not, let it break out, consolidate, and hit the second level and wait for your reaction as well towards the upside. Overall, I'm pretty bullish on New Zealand CAD on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm pretty confident that this will give us a proper setup at some point. If not from here, then let it break the top, and then we'll be looking for another pullback, so we get our setup towards the upside. There's plenty of time to get in this trade. We are at the beginning. Like I was saying, you can see the impulse here is pretty strong towards the upside, and this is the whole consolidation, and you have a lot of room to play with before you get your trade. So no need to rush things up. Let's wait for the price to pull back. I would prefer a deeper pullback so we can get a better risk to reward, but that remains to be seen. So pay close attention to these two levels that I highlighted, and see if you get your bullish reaction. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out the full weekly analysis, head over to the link in the video description, and you can find the link over there for the in-depth analysis of the week with all the majors, the commodities, the stocks, and the cryptos and indexes. So with that being said, I wish you guys a happy trading week ahead, and see you on the next one.